Hello everyone. In this video we will study two cases of projection of straight line. In the previous two videos we have studied first two cases, that is line parallel to VP and inclined to HP and line parallel to HP and inclined to VP. Now third case is line is in VP and inclined to HP. Now see what is the case, line is in VP. So consider line AB which is in VP and inclined to HP. It is making certain angle with horizontal plane. Now line itself will act as front view because there is no question of projecting ends on vertical plane as line it is in VP, as line is in VP. Therefore this line itself will act as a front view. Now to get its top view, what I am supposed to do, I have to project the ends on horizontal plane. As line is in VP, these projectors will meet XY line. See, consider this is a line. See, this wall is a vertical plane. Consider this wall is vertical plane and this floor is horizontal plane. If I place line inclined to HP and is in VP, if I draw its projectors through the endpoints, these projectors will meet XY line and we will get top view on XY line. Top view on XY line. See, this point is A whereas this point is B and front view points are A dash comma B dash. See, we have drawn these projections, that is front view and top view, in isometric view, and how to show it on orthographic plane. This is XY line reference line. Front view will come above XY line with certain inclination with HP. This end is A dash, this end is B dash. Project these ends, we will get top view on XY line. This is top view. Now another case, line is in HP and inclined to VP. It is making certain angle with vertical plane. Okay. Now in this case, line itself will act as a top view. Line itself will act as a top view as line is in HP. There is no question of projecting the ends on horizontal plane because line is in HP. If I place the line on horizontal plane, that is what we have considered is floor as horizontal plane, which will not be visible in camera. Therefore consider, see, this plane as a horizontal plane. If I place line is in horizontal plane making certain angle with vertical plane, see, this line itself will act as top view, and after projecting two ends where these projectors will meet, these projectors will meet XY line. Therefore this is A dash, this is B dash. A dash B dash is the front view which we are getting on XY line, and line itself is a top view. AB is a top view. How to show it on orthographic plane? XY line reference line, top view will come below XY line, AB with certain inclination with vertical plane. To get its front view, project the ends. Okay, what is this? A dash B dash. A dash B dash is a front view, and this is AB is a top view. I hope you must have understood these two simple cases. So far we have studied line inclined to HP parallel to VP in the first video. In the second video, line parallel to HP and inclined to VP. In this third video we have studied two cases, line is in VP and inclined to HP. We are getting top view on XY line in this case. In next case, line is in HP and inclined to VP. Here we are getting front view on XY line as it is in HP. Thanks for watching. We will study two more cases in the next video. that is line parallel to both the planes and line is in both the planes. After studying those two cases, we will go for oblique line projection, that is line inclined to both the planes. Thanks for watching. I am looking forward to see you in the next video.